I am a professor of microbiology here at Lorain County Community College. I began at a community college myself. Went to a place called Monroe Community College in upstate New York. I left there and went to a place called the University of Rochester in Rochester, New York. And I stayed there and did my bachelor's degree, my master's degree, and my PhD. And left there and went to a place called Harvard Medical School, where I did work on simian immunodeficiency virus, which is the virus that causes AIDS in monkeys. Came to the Lorain Community College in 1997, and I've been teaching microbiology since. Several years ago, I started a research program, and actually my students started it. I don't want to take credit for it. It was their idea, and they decided that they wanted to resurrect some studies that I had ongoing. And we've been working on this protein called CCR5. In 1995, we discovered a group of people who were resistant to HIV infection. These folks have a mutation, a kind of a natural mutation that actually confers resistance to the Black Plague. We've been looking at this gene and we've been looking at mutations in it with the group for a number of years. I became involved 2 years ago with the early college. 2 years ago, I was approached by a student teacher by the name of Anthony Rigo. And Anthony came to me and said, I need some materials. Can you lend us some materials? Because we don't have time to do labs in early college. We have to get through material. We have to get through content. So we really don't have time to do, could you give me some display materials? And I said, well, I can do better than that. And so we invited the entire freshman class of early college into the lab, and we did some experiments. After that was over, a number of the students shadowed me, and a couple of them asked if they could join the research group. And we decided to start a research program for the early college students. I call it my early scientist program. And what we're doing is there's a group of students, and we meet a couple times a week, and we are doing research. We kind of selected out with the principal and the biology teacher and myself, we selected 4 students in that first group. And then the next year we selected a few more than 4 to be in the group. But we've got a core group of students who are doing university grade research, and they're high school students. There's a group of them working on an abstract right now that we hope to send to the American Association for the Advancement of Science. We actually would like to do a presentation in their national meeting. We're hoping to get accepted to the national meeting, which this year is in Vancouver. The early scientists have been involved with looking for this mutation in CCR5, the same mutation that was around since the Black Plague. We'll see how it does. We hope to be studying these students and see how they do over the years. I am hoping to have a few of them maybe win a Nobel Prize or 2. I have some lofty goals. And I hope to see some of them do that, see if we can get somebody with an intense exposure to science at a very early age and give them a little bit of heads up before they get into the university. Thank you.